know, A Good Day to Be a Dog is a fantasy romantic drama about Han Hae-na, Park Gyu-young. A cursed teacher will turn into a dog if he kisses a man. However, the only person who can cancel the curse is Jin Seo-won, Cha Eun-woo. A teacher who is afraid of dogs because of a traumatic event she can no longer remember. In the previous episode, Lee Bo-kyum, Lee Hyun-woo, the mountain god who cursed Han Hae-na's family, began to reveal his true intentions. Bo-kyum secretly requires Hae-na to wear a bracelet with a tiger scent. When the vice principal, Yoo Sung-mok, persuades him to return to the mountain where he came from, Bo-kyum does not hide his anger and he says that they also have to lose like what he lost. Bo-kyum, unable to contain his sadness, calls Seo-won to his hiding place and points his sword at her, adding to the tension. In the midst of this situation, MBC's A Good Day to Be a Dog has released a heart-fluttering teaser ahead of the broadcast of episode 10. Hae-na couldn't take her eyes off Seo-won, who was teaching her students. The newly released stills show Hae-na, Seo-won, and Bo-kyum on a field trip to a history museum. Meanwhile, Bo-kyum's eyes filled with tears when he identified the ancient objects on display and remembered his memories with Cho-young, Kim Ik-young. In another photo, Seo-won looks after Hae-na, who is sleeping in pain. Seo-won remains by Hae-na's side, checking her temperature by touching her forehead. Seo-won lay next to Hae-na and fell asleep as he let Hae-na rest her head on his arm, making viewers' hearts flutter. Episode 10 of A Good Day to Be a Dog airs on December 13th at 9 p.m. Korea Standard Time.